Hi, fourth grade. It's Mrs. Boswell wanting to wish you a happy Halloween this week. This week we're going to focus on vowel teams with syllables. We did our controlled syllables last week. We've done the magic E, the open syllables, and the closed syllable. Remember, anytime throughout the video you can pause and stop to go get supplies or to take your notes. You need to get your writing spiral notebook and then 2 colorful markers to take your notes for today. All right, you can pause at any time. Now that you have your writing spiral notebook and you're open to a blank page and you're ready to start taking notes with me. So today's objective is we're going to identify ways to identify a vowel team syllable word. So we're going to get started. So we're going to be doing vowel team identification. So, up here at the top, I'm going to write vowel team syllables. Okay, so we're finding ways to identify vowel team syllables. Okay. So, my first note is that little fun pumpkin. It's going to be 2 vowel letters. So 2 vowel letters side by blank. Okay. So remember with our silent E, it was the vowel, space, and then a helper E, because this usually was a consonant. Okay, but vowel teams are different. You're going to find 2 vowel letters that are side by. If you said the word side, you're correct. So they're next, or another way to say it is they're next to each other. So 2 vowel letters side by side. So 2 vowel letters side by side. That's the first way to identify it. So would this be a vowel team? We're going to say no because that's the helper E. But if I had an A and an E next to each other or side by side, that would be an example of a vowel team. Oops, I just realized you probably can't see what I just wrote. I apologize. Sorry, difficulties with the camera today. All right, now here's our second way to identify a vowel team. Okay, it says, together the vowels make blank sound. So, our next note is, together the 2 letters make, the vowels make 1 vowel, ooh, I just gave it away, sound. Okay, so together the vowels make 1 vowel sound. Okay, and because they're 2 letters together, okay, one way to remember it is just like the silent E, just got my hair stuck in there. Okay, we have the helper E and it helps the A say its name. This E is going to be quiet and help the A say its name. Okay, so the first vowel does all the talking. Okay, so this vowel together would say A. If I had I and an E, that would say I. The first vowel does all the talking. Okay, if I had O-E, this would be O. That first vowel does all the talking. So, to recognize or identify a vowel team, it's 2 syllable letters side by side. Together the vowels make 1 vowel sound. Okay. And then our next note is, you'll see it like this. It will be consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant when you see it in words. So it would follow that pattern. So consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Because those vowels are side by side. Okay? So let's do some examples. Okay? Let's do our first word. T-O-E. Okay? You guys may know that word already, but let's identify it. Okay? So it's two vowel letters side by side. Ooh, I see two vowel letters, and they're side by side. What's the T? It's a consonant. So I have a T, I have an O and an E, and we remember that it says that together the vowels make one vowel sound. So this E is going to help the O say its name. So we're going to say that's long vowel. So I'm going to put my line to represent that those two are going to say the long vowel sound. So together they say O. So I've got T, O. Put it together. Toe. All right. Did this follow our pattern? Sorry. Kind of hard to see. Okay. So it says two vowel letters side by side. There's our first one. Together they make one sound. They make O. And they follow the pattern C, V, V, C. So C, V, V. Now sometimes remember it is open, but what sets us apart from open syllables? Okay, because you might have that question. Okay. On open syllables, is it followed with two vowels? It is not. It's followed just by one vowel. That's what separates this one, this word toe. Okay, that's what makes it a vowel team, but not an open syllable. Okay, because it's two vowels side by side. Okay. The other important thing is whenever I notice a vowel together, I always want to underline it. That's a vowel team. Okay. Let's do our next word. Okay. Let's do this. P-A-I-D. Okay. So P-A-I-D. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and label it. So I have the P is a consonant, the A is a vowel, the I is a vowel, oh, and the D is a consonant. What did I just notice? Two vowels side by side. I think this is a vowel team. I think that I is going to help the A say its name, which is A, so it's going to say the long vowel sound. Okay, so I'm going to put on my symbol. Okay, so we've got P-A-D, P-A-D, paid. Ah, is that a word? Yeah. So is this an example of a vowel team syllable? Yes, and the reason is because I have two vowels side by side. The first one does all the talking. This one is the helper. And it also follows, and it makes one sound. And it also follows a C, V, V, C pattern. C, V, V, C. Okay, let's do one more. Aha. Okay. I'll kind of write it over here. Hopefully that will help us. C-H-E-E. Okay. All right. So here's that word, C-H-E-E. Okay. All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and identify it. So I'm going to look at this because I know that CH is a digraph and it makes one sound. So there's my consonant. It's only one sound. So they say ch. Okay. The E is a vowel. This E is a vowel. And this K is a consonant. Okay. I already noticed that my vowels are side by side. So I think I'm going to identify this as a vowel team. Okay. All right. So I'm going to say this helper is silent, but it makes this E say its name, which is the long vowel. long vowel, and long vowel E says E. So I'm going to cross that out because I know it's a helper. So I've got ch, E, k, ch, E, k. Put together, chi. Ah, is that a word? Yes. Okay. Is this a vowel team syllable? Okay. Does it have vowels side by side? Yes. The vowels make one sound? E. Yes. Okay. And it follows a CVVC pattern. CVVC pattern. Okay. So again, we just identified another vowel team syllable. So I kind of like how I crossed this out. Let's go up to toe. What letter was silent? The E. And I made the O say its name. On paid, what vowel was silent? The I. And I made the A say its name. Okay? So that's another way that you could represent that that's a long vowel, and those are helpers. So today we identified our vowel team syllables. 2 vowel letters side by side. Together the vowels make one vowel sound, and they follow the pattern of CVVC. On your own, you could challenge yourself and add 2 more patterns that follow the CVVC pattern for vowel teams. Good luck!